temperatures will fall below freezing by Thursday evening, and any residual water from snowmelt may refreeze mainly on bridges and overpasses during the evening. Wind chill temperatures are expected to fall into the single digits at many locations on Christmas morning. Spotter information statement. Activation of storm spotters and emergency management personnel is not anticipated at this time.
Weekly test with SPC Huntsville.
At Northwest Alabama Regional Airport in the Shoals, skies were partly sunny. The temperature was 58 degrees.
I don't know why it's just 12.
The dew point was 38, making the relative humidity 47%.
Oh yeah, that's my new reading.
Winds were south at 14 miles an hour.
No one's even seen
the pressure was 30.10 inches and falling. At Tupelo Regional Airport, skies were cloudy. The temperature was 55 degrees. The dew point was 46, making the relative humidity 71%. Winds were south at 10 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.07 inches and falling. Elsewhere across the area, Decatur, partly sunny and 57. Huntsville, cloudy and 56. Selmer, sunny and 57. Savannah, mostly sunny and 57. Haleyville, fair and 54. Coleman, fair and 55.
Here we go.
Jackson, Tennessee, partly sunny and 57. Once again,
why did it leave the call? Flip.
It
Why did you do that?
At the airport, partly sunny and 58.
Oh my God, what the
Regional weather conditions at 11 a.m.
The flipping
Skies ranged from partly sunny to cloudy. It was
No,
57
that just
at
screwed me up.
Chattanooga,
I swear to God, if
50
it
at
comes on my
Memphis,
right now.
58 at Nashville, and 55 at Atlanta.
It just hung up on
Birmingham
me.
reported 59, Tupelo reported 55, and Knoxville reported 48. Now here is the local forecast.
Come on.
Rest
You're
of
probably
today,
running late.
mostly cloudy. A chance of showers this afternoon. Highs around
I remember
60.
one time it was like
South winds
40
around
when they did
15
it.
miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Chance of rain 40%. Tonight, showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 30s. South winds 15 to 20 miles per hour, becoming west after midnight. Chance of rain near 100%. Thursday,
This is about
mostly
to
cloudy.
get dumb loud.
A chance of rain showers with a...
Oh, there we go. I said dumb loud, it goes dumb loud. Oh, see, I told you this is the loudest thing. Stop going there.
Was a test
God.
of the National Weather Service Emergency Warning System from Flores, KIH 57. This test is conducted
You get
at
dumb loud,
approximately
you stupid
11:30
thing.
each Wednesday morning, weather permitting.
Told you that's
If
dumb
this had
loud.
been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter.
First weekly test on
This area includes the following counties in the Florence listening area: Colbert, Franklin, Lauderdale, and Lawrence. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. Now here is